Here we come to the elevators in Nordstrom, Woodfield Mall, Illinois. There's no one here. Here it is. See? Door closed when I press the button. I like that. Schindler. Is this Schindler RT? Look at our cab view here. Very nice Schindler elevator. 3. Wow, door closed button when I press the button. Stopping at 2. Who pressed 2? Oh, they did. Going up?
Up.
Okay. Oh well. I guess that button just burned out. Yeah. Both buttons here. Go ahead and ring the bells. Here we are at 1. Yeah, we're at 1, so let's go up to 3. I can't believe door 3 works, but it's flickering. Oh, people coming. Yeah, both of them. There goes one, and there goes the other. That's it. Both are gone. So, that's it.